Alright, we're in 29 minutes. Grandiose Apartments. I've never really done this with the birds, with the grabbing the ducks. We'll see what we could do here. What kind of money we could get. Oh, Jesus Christ. We can't do this, can we? Gotta get out of here. Gotta get out of here. See if there's anything up there. I think I just heard a little arc. Oh, there's a little thing over here. Let's see. So I'm doing a 5-minute run. See the difference in money that I could grab. Nothing here. Maybe this. Just doesn't seem profitable to me, to tell you the truth. But we'll see. We will see what we can get here. We'll jump across. I haven't been in PvE lobbies in a while. Been in Stella Hell for the past few months, so gonna check and enjoy this out. Hey, 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 hey. See what we got. Trash. So at the 5-minute time, I'm gonna head out and see what I got. It just doesn't seem like it's gonna be profitable, to tell you the truth. Yeah. I don't see the profit in this, to tell you the truth. Brother. Let's see what we got on here.
What up?
What's up, big homie?
Hello, Raider.
Bombardier. Yep, that's a Bombardierski. It's a little Bombardierski action. Still 34K. Oh. We're entering the 4-minute mark. This is not profitable for me. By no means is this profitable. Well, at this point, I'm just going to... Oh, hello. At this point, I'm just going to grab the plaza stuff. There's some really good goodies here. Oh, yep, nice. Nobody's even looked here yet. Perfect. So, 5 minutes, 4 minutes in, I had 45. Start looting inside buildings compared to the stupid bird. Bird map. Gotta go to my favorite spot. Gotta go to my favorite spot, boys. I'll show you where my favorite spot is. Olives. Favorite spot is right here. What? Wow, no drawers. This too. This right here. These drawers are awesome. Just freaking amazing. Kinetic converters. Every 4th or 5th one is a kinetic converter. drop something for this. See if I can make that. Make this. Grab it off. So all of our money came from here. This is all of our money came from, to tell you the truth. What do we got here? We got that money shot. 70. This is my minimal that I get from farming built inside buildings, so it's not really profitable to run around like this for me, to tell you the truth. 8 minutes, 7 minutes. Just got these duckies. This just isn't 72. That's what I usually get minimal during a 5-minute, 4-minute run, running to Plaza Rosa inside, coming from here into the Old Town Hatch area buildings. 4-minute runs and I'm good. Plus there's a higher chance of being knocked by a bombardier while you're running up on the buildings. You gotta grab some items to destroy arc, so that pretty much lowers your ability to gain maximum, min-maxing. Yeah, gotta bring secret grenades, just not what I like. 8 minutes and 70, no, this isn't profitable for me.